Okay, so we are back again with another video, another deal alert video. This time around, it is going to be on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Many of you know that this is one of my favorite tablets. Of course, it is one of the best budget slash mid-range tablet that Samsung ever made. Now, if you were in the market for this particular tablet, or just a budget tablet, or a well-priced mid-range tablet, this guy is the guy. Now, it went as low as $250 during Black Friday, and that was the lowest price we've seen this guy go this year. So if you want to take advantage of that price, because it's back, so essentially the Black Friday price is back for $250. I will have the link down in the description. Make sure to just go ahead and hit the link. It's going to take you straight to the page where you can pay $250 for this guy. I don't know how long it's going to last. The video that I made yesterday or the day before on the Galaxy Tab S7 FE, I'm assuming was supposed to last just about 24 hours. I'm also going to assume that it is the case with this deal. It is a flash deal for $250 for the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So make sure to go immediately if you are in the market, of course, and I want to make sure that I emphasize that, right? So if you are in the market for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, make sure to just hit that link and go buy this tablet. We're actually just going to jump on the website together here, just like I did the other day there, let's see, 2 days ago. So essentially, when you go to the description and take a look at the link, it should take you to this page here where you can actually see the tablet as I scroll up and down here, and you will see that it is $100 off from the regular price, which is normally $350. Go for from $350 to $250. That is a great price. Now, my hope during Black Friday was that it would go lower, let's say it hit like 220 or 230. It didn't, so it looks like this is the lowest it will go this year. Now, you could take the chance to kind of wait it out and see if maybe next year will drop. But if you need the tablet now, I would say just go ahead and buy one. So if I wanted to buy one, I could probably just hit the purchase button. And I'm assuming this is just, yes, so this is for 64 gigs. If you were to go for 128 gigs, it will run you $300, which is also not bad. $130 off. That is not a bad deal at all. Now, if you were to buy just the 64 gigs, right? 64 gigs, you got to remember this guy does have that, that micro SD card slot to expand that storage. So you have the ability to expand the storage of this tablet at up to 1 terabyte. Now, if you haven't watched the video, I've made tons of videos on this tablet, right? So if you are just looking for an update video, 6 months update, a year update, a year later update, or the unboxing, full review, regular, whatever type of video that you're looking for on this particular tablet, I've made it. So just go down the list and just type it in and filter it out. You should be able to find whatever type of video you're looking for on this tablet. Now, it's a great tablet. Of course, it comes with the S Pen. It's probably back there somewhere. The amazing S Pen, of course, from Samsung. So you do have all the standard features that you will get from the Samsung S Pen. So, your cropping, taking down notes, drawing, of course, drawing and feedback is just top notch on here. Plus that screen is also just a beautiful screen. It's a TFT display, still a beautiful screen. The resolution here is 2000 by 1200, I believe. So entertainment is amazing. And when I say it's amazing, you really get immersed in that entertainment. Of course, you have the, dual speaker setup here. So when you hold a tablet like this, you're not covering the speakers. So sound quality is crisp. Top-notch sound quality, of course, because these are tuned by AKG. Anyway, this is an amazing tablet. It's been popular from day one, and every now and then the price will drop, and then it'll go right back to full price just because of how popular this tablet is. It is a true value tablet. Now, it is, still to be considered something that is within, in the mid-range category, even though it has an Exynos. The platform here is an Exynos 9611, so you still be able to do light to moderate level of work. This is not a productivity tablet. This is not a tablet for you to be editing videos, run full-blown, I don't know. It's a mid-range tablet, a mid-range slash budget tablet. It is the perfect mid-range tablet. Even today, it is still a very relevant tablet. Another thing I wanted to mention here is that even though it's not a productivity tablet, you do have the support for Samsung DeX. I'm not sure if you are familiar with what Samsung DeX is. Essentially what it is it just turns your GUI, your interface into an actual desktop, right? So it looks just like a desktop or a computer or a tablet, whatever you want to call it. And you are able to pretty much navigate the interface as if you were on a regular tablet. I'm sorry, on a regular computer or on a regular desktop. It really is something for you to try. So if you haven't tried it and you're thinking about buying, let's say you're on the edge between this and the, let's say, Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, for example, skip that. Instead of paying that $229 for it, doesn't support stylus, and it doesn't support, you know, that full blown version of Android, and it doesn't support Samsung DeX, just go ahead and pick up this tablet. Again, if you don't believe me, just Google it. You'll see how loved this tablet is. So the link in the description, hit that. That should take you straight to the tablet. Of course, that's going to be another great way for you to support the channel. You checking, you know, hitting the link doesn't cost you anything, right? So you just, it's literally just a path to take you to the page where you can purchase this. And of course, because it's an affiliate links, the channel, you know, would get like a few bucks. That's just your way of supporting your channel. It's not like I really depend on it, but it's just a great way for you to show support so that I can continue to track these deals, make videos like this one, and drop them and share with you. Also, while you're at it, check to make sure that you are subscribed. If you're not, of course, please make sure to hit both the like and the subscribe button, along with the bell, with the notification bell, so that when I, you know, when I stumble upon these deals, I can immediately share with you and you'll be notified. So again, if you were in the market for this tablet or just a budget tablet, an Android budget tablet, this is the perfect, it's still the perfect guide to go after. Go ahead and buy that. If you have any questions about this particular tablet or any other tablets, make sure to put them in the comment section. I'm going to catch you in that comment section. I've made, you know, make tons of tablet videos, so make sure to check out those videos if you haven't done so already. If you have any questions about those, also make sure to put those in the comment section. Like I mentioned, I'm going to catch you in the comment section. I'm also going to catch you in the next video. And up until that next video, of course, as always, stay safe out there.